What's up? Back yet again. Hopefully not too long ago video. I am going to be addressing something that I should have been addressed. So the starter, I replaced that a few months ago, right? And when I was putting the car back together, it was daily at the time, I put it back together with a torn intake manifold gasket. So gasket was torn slightly, but I think it's a cause of concern, so I'm going to address it. Basically, obviously got to take off this connector here. I'm going to try and do it like as half-assed as possible while also doing the coil packs. I'm still unsure if I want to keep running the actual catch can bullshit that I've got going on, or now that my issue, the reason why I ran the catch can in the first place was because this was leaking oil, and I thought it was because it was just too much like pressure. That wasn't the problem. It was the gasket on the oil filter housing. So, and now that I know that it's not that, I want to route this like stock, where this line goes into this. So it's just a small vacuum line. That way the CCV still does its job and goes into the intake. With the intake removed, I plan to also delete the whole CCV completely from underneath the intake, and also clean all the oil that fell from, leaked from in here all the way down in there. Because when the car gets warm, I can smell it. I can smell the oil, and it's kind of annoying. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna end up routing that back. I don't really care for the catch can, to be honest. It's not a look for me either. Like, I know people like the look of, having catch cans and all these unnecessary hoses and bullshit or whatever, but that's just not really me. So I'm gonna get to removing all this stuff. I'm removing up there, the cowl cover thing, so I can get all of this out, and probably won't time lapse it because I think time lapses are kind of boring now. So I'll be back. Alright, so I'm removing this intake boot, right? And I look, and I see there's a fucking, an O-ring down there. I have it on autofocus, it's not gonna focus. But it's back there, you can kind of see it. Right? Orange ring. I don't know what the fuck that's to, so I'm kind of stressing out now. Alright, so I got the intake manifold off. This is where all the oil spilled from the housing, so I'm gonna clean all this shit out and replace these gaskets, which I will show you. Where was it that I saw? Right here, there's a tear. Yeah, well, take it out. Here, there's a tear. So, and like I said, I knew it was there. I just needed my car, so neglected that. See how this is. These are alright. Say hi, Ramsey. Hello. You got a big head. You're so beautiful, boy. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up. I'm not sure what else I want to do since I'm down here, but I don't know. I'm not really in a rush to put this shit back together, so maybe I'll do more stuff. I don't know yet. I don't see anything weird. If you guys see anything weird, let me know, and I'll address it. Alright, so this is the old CCV system. Got bolted up like this or whatever. and I removed it. So no more CCV. I cleaned up the manifold a bit. Still like, man, it ain't pretty. I did clean down here. That's a whole lot nicer too. Hopefully I got most of, if not all, the oil that was like burning. And plugs are done. They weren't even, I didn't need to do anything to them. But yeah, time to put the new gaskets on, and I'm gonna put it together and go to sleep. It's like too hot out here, like fucking humid hot. I'm like gonna die. But whatever. Fun. Alright, manifold is back on. Cleaned everything like I showed you. Cleaned the idle air control valve, and I just gotta put it all back together. Still unsure what I'm gonna do with this situation. Just keep the catch can or route it differently, and just utilize the new CCV instead of the old CCV. But calling it a night. I ran out of light. I don't know what happened, but all the LEDs just decided to stop working. So yeah, I'll be back tomorrow when there's a little bit more light. I need to charge my headlamp too, actually, now I think about it, because if I can't figure out the light situation, I'm gonna need light. So that's it for right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, cool. So it's morning. I did fix the lights. It's that switch. It's not making contact. So I'm going to remove the switch altogether, wire it all up, hardwire instead. The only reason why I kept the switch was because I thought I was gonna, maybe one day not want to have all the lights on, but I honestly am too used to it. I can't even do it without it. Anyways, car's back together. I did clean the idle air control valve, which I did not record. Super simple, just get the auto body cleaner, get it, shake it, clean it out with a rag or Q-tips, whatever you can. I did keep this for now, just until I can figure out a better way to route it. Because so far the only way that I can do it is like if I go this way, which isn't like horrible, but I'd like to toy around with different ideas first. I also need to buy a new hose because I've already cut this, so it's not long enough to reach and loop through. I could just do the whole using this fitting thing that I have here and here and attach them maybe. Maybe I'll try that later on. But right now we are ready to see how it runs. Oh man, I can already hear it so much better. I'm sure you guys can hear that mist in the last video. It's like night and day difference today. The vacuum leak will do that to you. Very cool, very awesome. Alright, I'm gonna let my compressors do their thing and air up my tank. Yeah, I mean, that's it for this video. If you guys are enjoying this stuff, please do me a solid, like, comment, subscribe. Just trying to put more content out there, man. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Right on triple chrome, glide on them votes. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my clique. Let them see how out they going up the blicks. Pray to God, rapper.